Interesting calls made by the game so far.
Oh
my goodness!
Both of the players are looking for that teensy bit of extra momentum, extra confidence to find themselves in a better spot, and that's only going to come for a goal, or at least a very well worked chance. The way it is now, Ronaldo. Oh my!
Oh yes, that's surely he's got to take the shot, and he didn't. Oh my goodness! Two opportunities there. He could be exposed on the break here if Arvind can find that right ball. He's going to be looking for that ball in behind. He's found it, and a missed interception, and could that be costly? It's Van der Sar at the other end now. Maybe a different angle of shooting would be interesting to know. Although Arvind is in and just nicked off the toes.
Both of these players, they like to keep it narrow. They like to get central with their attack, and I feel like because of that, both of them know exactly how to defend against each other. And so far, we haven't got. So
I think he's got it now. He needs to take the shot surely, and it is in. Decided against the weak foot shot, and I thought maybe that was a mistake, but worked perfectly. Little scoop turn to get the defender out of the way and smashes it into the far corner. And advantage Jamshedpur, you have to say, slightly against the run of the game, because it's generally been Varsi who's been threatening. This was lovely.
Maldini under a lot of pressure there. I would panic for a second, but Arvind able to keep it cool and now get it through onto Cruyff on the wing. An early pass in for Pele. This should surely be a nice setup for a goal. Oh my god.
Taking too much time there, and maybe didn't want to there in Gullit. Now Ronaldo will be looking for the other Ronaldo. Another ball roll, looking for the... Should have tried to cross over there.
Surely.
Maybe still can, and there you go. That had the opportunity to send Mbappe through with Gullit, elected not to. He's now got Eusebio. And yeah, Ronaldo 7 with plenty of space. And Gullit has to take the shot. Time finish is all wrong. Yeah, and well, Akash, we did speak to him the last game as he gives the ball away right outside his box, and he's got Mbappe. Now Pele, will he take the shot? Oh, that's brilliantly worked. I mean, just the vision to see that ball to Ronaldo is absolutely outstanding, because I just saw the shot from Pele. I was like, go on, take the shot, and then suddenly out of nowhere, that beautiful little reverse ball for Ronaldo. It's exquisite. And for now, he's gonna have to less passing, more attacking.
Yeah, absolutely. But a small thing for Akash, like one of his standards, of course, starts with Messi, exactly. But plays Messi on the right so he can cut in like this. Has the pass free, but did not elect to go for it. I thought he might go to the edge of the box for Ronaldo, pull him up a little bit maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think Akash, I mean, he does use Messi, but oh, that's a superb ball in behind from Sagnik. Lovely manual run. And now, I think gets the corner there. Yeah, well done. And okay, we're going to see a cross coming into the box. It's going to be Gullit at the back post. Will he win the header? He does, and it's thwarted by Van der Sar. And but it's one of those that you can also only use, like, you know, maybe for the first couple of times in the game, because your opponent is going to get quite wary to it after that. And hang on, he's in over here and puts it across. It's saved by Van der Sar. He shot it straight down the middle. Pretty much a free shot on goal with just the keeper to beat. But I mean, I do say just the keeper, but it is Van der Sar. And now it's Pele. Will he go for the shot? Lovely roulette to create the space. Going for the chip. We saw the keeper coming off his line. So cheeky attempt over there. And it does look, unless they can get into the box immediately, it does look like it will end at halftime. A little Rabona fake there from Ronaldo 9. Oh, he's managed to commit Maldini, and has Mbappe in there, has Pele in there, and that's brilliantly worked, and it's saved again by Van der Sar. That's incredible. Akash has thrown his controller away. So quite interesting to see just the subtle changes that substitution makes, and that's well worked by Sagnik. And yeah, he's keeping that very, very well. Worked that to Pele beautifully. The close control in the box keeps going. Oh, almost. Aggressive press over there, and Gullit's going to come away with it. Vieira overcommitted, and now there's a man short on defense. And can they make them pay? He has two men over on that right flank. He has seen that gap, and now Cafu, will he go for a cross to the back?
Oh, he does.
He has to. And it's saved as a near post by Van der Sar again. Almost a disastrous back pass over there, but no harm done. And yet again, maybe 1 or 2 attacks left in this game. It's getting tighter and tighter. And Sagnik is going to have an overload to contend with, and that's the goal. Finally for Akash. He has that goal. And it could be a crucial goal for Jamshedpur, because if they get this draw, it means that they cannot lose the 3 points, and they are guaranteed at least the 1 from the draw. maybe something that they might need to look into through the tournament. We do see a long ball. What is Van der Sar doing?
Jamshedpur back on the attack. Ronaldo with a lot of space can look for the cross here. One big advantage of
should fire that across, and you know that's going to be the key. He's going to just get down that byline and just hope that his teammate can read that pass. It's Gullit versus Gullit. Gullit 1 wins, Gullit 2 loses. Nothing much. It does look like a continuation of the last game where it's all the confidence and the momentum with Jamshedpur FC, but that might well change as we see Ronaldo 9. He's going to look for Pele. He has a couple of players in the box as well. Now Ronaldo goes for the shot. And that's what I meant. Sometimes just take the shot from that odd angle. You get a corner, 0-0, and they honestly just need the one goal to get the result that, well, not the result that they want, but the best result that they can get. And this might be it. And yes, it is. That's brilliantly worked. I think that was maybe Varsi with the finish. We'll find out eventually, I suppose. But that was well worked. Just that little ball roll to create that half a yard for the shot and then putting it well past. Cheap giveaway, and Bengaluru FC can reset again. Oh, what is that? And oh my goodness, that could actually lead to a goal. Complete. Oh my goodness, and just gets it back.
It's always Maldini.
And Maldini heading forward. Hello. Oh no, heading backwards. Sorry, I got confused with Maldini was over there. And with Gullit, will they go for a shot? Nope. Pele over there. He's created the opening, and it's a goal again. Very similar goal in many ways to the one that Arvind scored, just using that again that scoop turn to generate and whoa, alright, nice little celebration over there, well done. That's a new one, haven't seen that one before.
Yeah, and I think over here, Bengaluru, they've really got to be feeling a ton of pressure, but hold on, Eusebio running straight into the box a lot.
Oh, that's well worked, surely is in, it is in, it is in. And is that onside? Yes, it is. And lots of width being used now. It does look like it's maybe 3 at the back, or is it in? No, it's Van der Sar with the save, and that was onside. Try to find that gap, manufacture one where one doesn't exist. There it is. It's Ginola. He's got a very well. Both his feet are very strong. Now finds Ronaldo. Shot fake, sort of dummying that ball and letting it run past. And again with Zidane, they're camped on the edge of the area. It's now Pele, the ball won by Marquinhos.
Ooh.
And looked like a handball there, surely, and it is Ginola! It is Ginola, and they could be kicking themselves over there. Just had the moment to clear the ball forward, decided to play that little lob instead, and surely now, unless they can create something from just one play, I think that is all 3 points for them.